The FDA is initiating the removal of a broad black box warnings from hormone replacement therapy products for menopause. We're challenging outdated thinking and recommitting to evidence-based medicine that empowers rather than restricts.
We are listening to doctors who have been waving the flag in the air saying, hey, we have this wrong. We are listening to women who have been challenging the paternalism of medicine.
Well, that was last November when the FDA removed long-standing black box warnings on hormone replacement therapy products like estrogen patches. Commissioner Marty Makary called medication life-saving. Since then, the demand for those estrogen patches has jumped about 26%, leaving many women unable to fill prescriptions. Those patches deliver hormones through the skin to help ease menopause symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. Joining us now, family and emergency medicine doctor Janette Nesheiwat. So, Dr. Nesheiwat, the box said that you got to watch out for this hormone replacement therapy because it could cause breast cancer, it could cause cardiovascular disease, it could cause dementia. Pretty serious stuff. Now the FDA's taking those warnings off. Why?
Hey, John, great to be with you. And the reason is because that information that you just mentioned came out about 20 years ago from the Women's Health Initiative. But now today we know that these medications, estrogen patches, hormone replacement therapy, if started at the right time, can actually be beneficial and have had tremendous positive impacts in the quality of life for millions of women in this country. As it is right now, John, about 75 million women in the United States are in menopause or perimenopause, and only about 20% of them are getting the treatment that they need. And unfortunately, this number may go down. But what we've seen with, for example, estrogen patches, it has helped with hot flashes, fatigue, night sweats. It's helped with mood swings. It helps prevent bone loss, and it's also cardioprotective. So if started in the right person at the right time, it has tremendous positive impacts. But of course, again, the problem is we're seeing a shortage in the patches, which is a safer form of HRT because it can bypass metabolism in the liver, therefore potentially reducing possible side effects and complications such as blood clots, strokes, and heart attacks. But that's why this is not a one-size-fits-all, and it's important to speak to your doctor about what medication is best for you based on your symptoms and based on your age.
Dr. Marty Makary, who now heads the FDA, echoes what you said about the benefits of these patches. And he said one of the reasons that the warnings were on there so long is because men have dominated the medical profession. Listen.
The symptoms occur in over 80% of women. They last on average 8 years, and for many women, they are severe, even debilitating. Mood swings, night sweats, weight gain, hot flashes. A male-dominated medical profession, let's be honest, has minimized the symptoms of menopause, and as a result, women's health issues have not received the attention that they deserve.
So you applaud this change, it sounds like.
Yes, so the problem is, John, we've got to avoid abrupt discontinuation of these medications because what you're doing is you've got a patient who is stabilized, their symptoms are well controlled. And with patches, for example, a patient would take it maybe twice a week. So every few days they would put on a new patch. And if you remove that, if they don't have access to that medication, then their symptoms will come back. And in long term, it can result in damage. It can result in bone loss. It can result in anxiety, difficulty with sleep, difficulty with mood, brain fog, things that directly impact one's quality of life. But the good news is I say to my patients, don't panic. Talk to your doctor because fortunately for some people, for many people, we do have alternatives. For example, instead of an estrogen patch, while it's on back order, you can talk to your doctor if you're a candidate for maybe a gel or a spray. And in some people, for example, if you're under the age of 60 and you don't have any history of blood clots or stroke, then you might be a candidate for the pill. But we like the patch because it's easy to apply. It has least side effects for many people. But unfortunately, we are seeing a shortage, but hopefully with diverse manufacturing and what we see with the fast response to the shortage by the FDA, that we'll see changes hopefully sooner than later.
Yeah, a good many women would welcome that.
Yeah.
Dr. Janette Nesheiwat, thank you.
Yes.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.